Meet John. John's the owner of Soulprint, a successful print house. Every morning, John doesn't rush to work. He starts his mornings peacefully at his favorite cafe, knowing that he's got it all covered with the HP Indigo Service Edge. PrintBee is one of John's main reasons for his piece of cake. We mean his peace of mind. It's an innovative solution which enables him to know exactly how his presses and teams are performing and make better and faster business decisions anytime, anywhere. It's still early, but Jim, the certified operator, is already in the middle of his 46th job.
It's actually the 47, but who's counting?
Although Jim is a true professional, we're confident that he's able to efficiently and independently operate the press thanks to his best buddy, the HP Print Care. This on-press platform also helps him with troubleshooting, calibration, press diagnostics, managing service calls, you name it. Now this busy guy is Jack, Soulprint's production manager. Jack just got a call from the HP Care Center telling him that a predictive alert is indicating that one of the press belts needs to be replaced in order to prevent unexpected downtime. This call is part of the Predictive Press Care, in which HP routinely analyzes the data coming from the presses and alerts the print house as needed. Now Jack can find the ideal time for his HP local engineer to drop by so that print production won't be affected. Jim is preparing the replaceable part taken from his smart UTK as HP's local engineer is about to arrive. After the part has been scanned, a new part will be sent to the print house. Now that's smart.
La latte macchiato, my friend, as always.
After many years of working together, not only does John know Jeremy, his local engineer, so well, Jeremy also knows Soulprint down to the smallest detail. And that's what makes them both real partners. With HP Indigo Service Edge, you own your uptime and gain peace of mind. HP Indigo Service Edge. Fuel your success with confidence.